Affirmations for creating future. Welcome to the future. Yes, your future is in your hands. We may have many goals in life. Some are clear, but some are not so clear. When a goal is clear, it is easy to visualize, and with the help of the subconscious mind, we can certainly manifest the goal. But at times, the goal itself is not so clear, then visualizing also becomes difficult. So, how do we know which is the best goal for us? For this, we should first know what our mission in life is. Once that is clear, our goal just fall in place and the future will become ever so clear. So now we go into a deep level of meditation where you will get in touch with your subconscious mind and ask to see your future. What is your future destiny? What is your mission in life? And once this becomes clear, then you can go ahead and even make some changes and improvements and create your own future. So, get ready now to create a real bright future for yourself. Sit comfortably, close your eyes and relax. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, relax physically and release all tensions from your body. Allow yourself to relax from head to toes. Relax. Feel your whole body is relaxing completely. Allow this feeling of relaxation to fill you completely. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, relax your mind. Feel yourself becoming very calm. Feel yourself going within. Feel yourself becoming very calm, quiet, and tranquil. You are with yourself now, just yourself. Forget everything else. Just allow yourself to become completely relaxed. Your mind is now relaxed. You feel absolutely still, peaceful, calm, and tranquil. Think of some peaceful place that you like, your favorite place. Now, take another deep breath, and as you exhale, transport yourself mentally to this place. Feel that you are there now. Experience total relaxation. You feel absolutely relaxed, calm, and comfortable now. Allow yourself to feel completely relaxed. You are now in the alpha level of your mind. Continue to breathe smoothly, slowly, evenly. You are now becoming more and more relaxed and comfortable. You feel very relaxed, very good, and very comfortable. Now, slowly feel the vibrations of your body increasing, the energy rising. Feel yourself getting ready for a beautiful experience. Feel yourself floating out into the sky. Slowly feel yourself rising, and then floating across space, traveling just above the clouds. Look around. It is like an ocean of clouds. Clouds everywhere, white everywhere. You continue to travel. There is such a serene feeling within you, breathing the clean, pure air around you. Feel your lungs expanding with this pure air. Feel your whole body breathing this air. Every cell in your body is breathing. Feel a lot of light within you. Continue to travel. Continue to float. Now feel yourself slowly moving down. You are just above snow cloud mountains now. Bright, gleaming white snow is everywhere. Yes, you are just above the Himalayas. Your heart soars, what a beautiful sight. You continue to float just above the mountain. You kept going deep within. Mountains, deeper, deeper. So many mountains, so many peaks. And then you gasp, oh, what a sight! What a beautiful sight! You can see the beautiful lakes there. A divine lake surrounded by snow cloud mountains. Such a serene, beautiful sight. Slowly you land on the snow. It is a beautiful feeling. You feel your feet sinking softly into the fresh snow. You enjoy this feeling, and then suddenly the sky above you takes all a golden tinge. You look up wondering what caused the change. Oh, yes, it is the rays of the sun just about to come up. The sun is not yet seen, it is still dark, and there are still some stars shining, but there are golden hues tell you that very soon that sun will rise. Once again, your eyes are drawn to the lake. The waters are very quiet and still, and the waters look very deep. You are drawn towards the lake. You walk slowly towards the lake. As you approach the lake, you feel something happening within you. Your energy is changing there. There is a tingling feeling all over you. You can sense the presence of the very high level of energy there. You look up and you can almost see the energy beyond the lake. There is a huge mass of energy there. You can see mass of energy coming out of that area. You kneel down in front of the lake. You feel that this is the moment of great importance in your life, a moment of revelation, a moment of enlightenment. Breathe deeply. Inhale the divine energy there. Feel your lungs being rejuvenated with that divine energy. Feel your whole body being healed with that energy. Feel that energy reaching every cell of your vein, filling you completely with light, filling you with ecstasy. Keep breathing deeply, slowly, smoothly, deeply, deep, deep. Again, you feel drawn to that lake. You move up a little until you are kneeling down at the edge of the lake. Look into the lake. The water is very still, very quiet, and deep, very deep. You keep gazing into the water. This lake is divine. This lake contains the essence of your life. This lake will enlighten you now. Keep gazing into the water. Slowly, your life unfolds there. Your birth, growth, your family, many incidents of your life are shown into the water. One by one, each incident comes up there. Just a moment and pauses only to be replaced with another. You are amazed. Your whole life unfolds there like a drama. One by one, each incident is seen there, and then very soon, it is now this moment today. Your eyes are glued to the water. You can see yourself kneeling down at the edge of the lake, deep in meditation. You have become very still, and now slowly the drama continues, and now the future unfolds there before your eyes. Yes, you can see yourself 5 years from today, and now you can see yourself 10 years from today. Yes, your role is becoming very clear now. Your mission in life is becoming very clear. Observe the picture really in your mind. How does it feel to know what the future holds for you? Contemplate for a moment. Does the picture resonate well with you? Do you feel comfortable with this role? Do you wish to make some changes? Then go ahead and recreate tremendous power and create some changes. With this clarity, make some changes as you desire. Make the picture even more satisfying. Keep improving the picture and make it very clear. See your light there. What are the circumstances? What is that work you are doing? Are you doing with pride and satisfaction? Who are with you? Are they all happy? Try to say all the details. Now, allow the picture to remain in still water. Watch the picture becoming brighter and brighter. It feels very real and true. Once again, you feel the energy all around you. Look up the great divine energy coming from beyond the lake. Now that energy seems to fill the lake, the energy seems to fill you, the energy seems to be all around you. And now close your eyes and hold the picture firmly in your mind. Let it reach the innermost corner of your mind. Let it be edged there. Let it be remain there. Let it sink into your subconscious mind. Now feel yourself sitting very comfortably, relaxing, soaking in the energy around you, feeling so good about everything. You feel so good. You feel so divine. Slowly feel yourself rising from there, drifting out from there, and moving back through the clouds. And then, yes, you are slowly floating back above the clouds, moving back. You are once again back to this state, this time, this place. You feel great energy within you, and experience makes you shiver with excitement. You feel blessed. Your life will now continue with even more clarity and purpose. Relax. Enjoy this beautiful and blissful feeling, and then, when you feel comfortable, very gently open your eyes.